Alright, we got Tesla full self-driving beta 10.6.1 on R3 destination test. Give it a try. It's a miserable day. Quite a bit of rain, a little bit dark, and we'll see how it does. With the inclement weather. So I did not receive the 10.6 update, so this is my first iteration past 10.5 to compare it to. I have a car behind me, so I can't be too hesitant in the car's actions. Gave it a quick nudge to go, but then it took over, did fairly well. A little out of control. Wanted to pace that car for some reason, even though we were set for a good 5 miles over, 5 miles per hour over what they wanted to go. And they're going to come up on our left, which is going to be tricky. Not hit the accelerator till right then because we got in the middle of an intersection and stalled. The good news is I continue to stay in the right lane, knowing we're going to take a right turn up here. So again, the line was right, the decisions were right. Need to be a little more courteous of the cars around us before we upset them. We ignore the stop sign every time we start there. Truck is coming from our left, and we should be open. us for the time being. Left lane makes sense. We're taking a left-hand turn up here. We are dead in the water. People came up behind us, and we stopped. That was ugly. Yeah, there's no one in sight, and it was creeping forward very, very slowly. Hit the accelerator, and as soon as I assumed it would take over and keep going, it slammed on the brakes. It did not like what it was seeing. But there was in fact nothing around us. I think that may be a degradation from the weather, which it is indicating that may be the case. Stale green light. I'm upsetting the people behind us. They expected me to fly through that. Did a good job of taking a sharp turn and staying in the lane this time. Last time it went a little wide. Scared I was going to hit the car on the right. No intention of merging to the last second. Had the same problem before. Full self-driving has given up with this level of weather. See if it kicks back in at any point. There it goes. Behind me, so we can be a little bit patient. Absolutely no one around. This will be a good test. A little jerky going through a roundabout at 28 miles an hour. Starting to be a car coming up behind us. It's going to overtake us pretty quickly. We are stopped. Cars in sight. Yep, upset them, and I'm at risk of getting hit from behind because they're expecting me to move. Oh, amazing. That is the right lane to be in, and now we're just upsetting the car behind us. They didn't expect us to do that at the last second, and we're stopping and hesitating. I'm hitting the accelerator. Absolutely the right lane changes. Just that hesitancy. Upsetting everyone around us again. Alright, back-to-back roundabouts. Car behind me quickly coming up. Plenty of room, plenty of time. Got to press the accelerator. No blinker. A non-preferred lane choice. Again, this lane is going to merge eventually back into the primary lane to my left. And hard stop. No cars, plenty of room. Hesitancy. Nowhere near the circle. Full stop. Glad nobody was behind me. Merge back into the primary lane without a blinker. car is fully capable, making good choices. Again, I wouldn't want to be following me.